Put the bungs in?
It's down there getting warm. Yep. The bung.
Yep.
At least we're not going far. We're all concentrated around this boat around here, pretty much.
Might as well get you straight back on the bait that does all the damage for you. Thought you were on spot lock, you dumb.
Doesn't look like it.
Left all the other baits in my bag that I had, didn't I? All that different colours and stuff. Plastics, the ones I took to the ledge.
You've got thousands of things.
Yeah, but just not the ones that I had that I wanted. Alright, let's do this. Oh, feel like shit. G'day guys, Liam Fitzpatrick here. Up bright and early on the Bribie Island bridge, fishing with my cousin, best mate, Aaron Seipel. There's a new little fishing attire set up there, look at him. We're a bit dusty this morning, it's the day after Origin, up the Maroons, and we're out fishing. Just have a bit of Bribie, just fishing the Bribie bridge. We're just gonna muck around, try and get a few fillets, play around here, and then go over, play on some flats, chase some flathead. Yeah, like I said, pretty dusty, but we're doing it. Here we go. See if we can make this happen, Seipel. You gotta get up on the dance floor, mate, if you're gonna party. Oh, there'll be snags down there, don't you worry about that. Gonna be a long day if that tide doesn't hurry up and start coming in. Just still gotta get those pots back. How's it bite? Really?
10 metres past the bridge.
Shark fin or trevally fin?
No, it's a fucking big guy.
I got a little rattle down there too. Oh, massive eagle ray. You reckon that's what you saw? Tip of his fin? Yeah, the tip of the flaps. Yeah, okay. You hook that thing, you'll know about it. They like eating plastics. Yeah. I know I like to say never give up, but I've had enough already. That alarm went off, I'm like, what's going on here? What? Oh shit, we're going fishing. Forgot all about it. Shouldn't we just be like catching Moses perch a cast or something? How many of them redfish we were catching? Didn't someone say heath, snapper here, big dewies, barra, big GTs. Oh, I had a fish on. Yep. Oh, what the hell? Bitten off. Bitten off. Oh no, that bloody knot come loose. No, that's rookie error. That's shit. That was a fish I was f***ing on. I saw that tag had come loose. I was like, ah, it'll be right. F***ing idiot. What a f***ing wanker. That's what you get for not retying your knots, kids. That's what you get. Don't be a dickhead like me. You get one? Yeah, everywhere. I got busted off, bro. Oh, my knot failed, you know, same diff. I'll have to get up and catch one then, eh? Knot failure. That's such a rookie error. You can't do that, eh? You can't do it. That's right, time to get serious. Look at that pippy linguine I made. Damn, that's some good pippy. Oh yeah. Another fish style. It wasn't as big though. Geez, that breeze sucks. Oh, what the hell? Yep. There's a fish. It's a bloody mosey.
So I'm gonna add to the dinner.
You might be a bit under that one.
That's big.
Should we measure in to make sure?
I have no idea, but that's bigger than what
You reckon?
that second one, that's probably the same size as that first one I got.
It'll be 25 then. He's 25. You can have this one, Seips. Go on the board, a big Moses perch. Oh, let's get another one. You just got to catch one, Seips. What's it gonna do? Tell you what I hooked before wasn't that size. Don't. Oh. I like how I always bring 20 rods and just end up fishing one. No, I was waiting for the tide turn, slow up a bit. Just trying to fill the esky with Moses perch, you know. Get a nice feed. Little mosies. Yep. Oh! Seips. That was another good mosey. He's back again for more. You wanted it. I think that's where we were going wrong those first few pilings and just chucking. You got to get it right in there. Where you going, man? There's a step there. Eating it. Eat it, buddy. Oh, man. Eat it, you wanker. There we go. Yeah! That felt like it had a bit more weight than a Moses perch. You're asking to snag up every time, aren't you? Oh man. Got the inside. little trevally or something, is it? Yeah. A little trevally. Keep you in there, man. There'll be a few of them there. Where are you on? Which side are you on? Oh, that's what I thought you were. There you go, little big eye trevally. Not the intended target, but we'll take one of those. I'll take it. It's on that 3-inch gulp shrimp. Everything eats a prawn. Oh, you're kidding, right? Here we go, Seips. Get a fish here. Watch this, ready? What do you want me to get? Moses? I'll try for a Moses, okay? If you want a Moses. Through the poles.
So good. Get in there, mate.
Yeah, gotta get in there. Oh, that's a better fish. That could be your flathead. That's a flathead. You said you wanted a flathead, didn't you? And he's a flatty. There's a flathead. You wanted a flatty? Watch out, he's get ya. Ah, watch out. Shit all over the floor. There you go, little flatty. Like I said, we're out for a feed. Get a couple of these, it'll be alright. Just down next to those poles, just on the bottom. Wasn't expecting a flatty to be sitting right tight, but he ate that gulp shrimp. Can't get enough of them. I don't think I need to fish anything else. I just catch a feed of fish doing this. Keep my cousin happy. You get him? Can you get one? They're everywhere. I thought you bloody catch fish, mate. Feed. Oh, I want. Oh, didn't tighten me drag up from before. Got him, Seips? Come on, you. He's going hard. What have we got here? A little snap. What is that? Oh, he's got mates. Look at the tailor. Boat flipping tailor. 30 centimeters? What? You're telling me that's what it is? He goes 30. No go. 35 centimeter size limit on tailor. No reason why we won't get one here. Sorry, but you bloody snooze, you lose, mate. That's how the rules go in this boat. Snooze, you lose. Oh, eat it, mate. Oh, still haven't tightened my drag back properly. Look at that, that went in the mouth of something big. not get a hook in it. Only a matter of time, mate. Here we go, good flatty. Good flatty, Seips. Oh, it'll be a keeper. Oh, he's not as big as I thought he was. You don't want to eat him? Don't think you should net this thing before it gets away. I'll net him myself then, eh? There you go, another flathead for the esky. Go, Seips, get in there. Nice one, mate. Just get to the bottom, that's where the flatheads are, that's where the big dogs are. There's a fish, Seips. You got, mate. If you're in them holes. Got some poke to him. Little snapper. Little snap. Oh, does that count? Yeah, you touched your leader. I'll count it. Oh, big. Oh, big. Oh, big. Oh, I did something. Ah! Damn it!
That was big.
What was that?
You never know unless you get him up.
That was on the bloody old pea-seed tail, mate. Alright, that last fish that did me, that was just on that pumpkin seed swimming mullet 4-inch, I think that one is, in the gulp. Run a 10-pound braid, 12-pound leader, like probably undergun for something that size. But you know, we're just chasing a feed of fish, flathead and whatever comes along. But that, yeah, that one got the better of me. Now we're having fun though, aren't we? Hey? Now we're having fun. Kind of just wing it now. Go up a little further. There we go. There's a fish. It's a foul hook leather jacket, Seips. How's that for a pretty fish? It's pretty cool. Oh, we're gonna make a move. Bit of change of scenery. You might fall out here today. Remember when you said you weren't wet yet? Is the wind not getting us now and the tide's got us? Oh, kidding me, are ya? Remember how many we spooked yesterday that was sitting on the ledge? Just little guys, they weren't big. Come on, Seips, get one. I'll happily let you get a 75 and eat it.
The whole day yesterday casting out over.
Oh no, I just it out. Well, we saw those lies up there. At some stage they're coming up onto this flat. We did spend the whole day thrown off the ledge.
Walking all the way out.
Look where a chunk's fallen away. It's still there. That piece has come out. Sushi yaki maki. You're gonna get snagged again. You're right on the jaggediest corner part. Bring it straight in. Yeah, well, you either throw up on the edge of it or just in the front of the edge of it, not in those grooves.
Let's go in the grooves.
Yep, on. I told you get snagged. Net this thing and we'll get that off. Get it in the net, Seipo! Is it gonna be legal?
Just is.
Holy shit, look at that crocodile swimming off.
Yeah.
Holy shit! That's got... He would have followed this thing in. Did you see the size of it?
Chicken.
He was sitting on the ledge, he just cruised off. Holy shit, that was a big flathead. Damn it! Holy shit. Next time I say just wind it in, you're gonna get snagged.
Yeah,
Just listen and wind it in because you're gonna get snagged. Did you actually see that? It was like this. It was huge, man. That was a giant flathead, man. Like a giant. No, not 40, mate. I don't know if it was coming looking to eat that thing or we spooked it. Man, it was big. And just drifted off down about here somewhere. That thing up there ate as soon as it landed, eh? Why are you throwing up on there? I thought you wanted to fish out there. I'll find that big girl. It was big, man. I have not seen one that big for ages. It was so big, it's not funny. I honestly can't believe how big that was. Yep. Oh, that was a fish and that was good weight. Damn it! Right in that zone too. Mother. Could you imagine if that was her? Oh. Yep, little guy. See if a big giant flathead tries to come and eat it. It tried to attack me. Oh, now he's casting shallow again.
Yeah, that's where you're getting them, isn't it?
Getting a couple, man. The thing that swum up after one of these before, like, had to be everything at 90. Oh, another big lizard. Huge, dude. I just threw near there. Jesus. If you picked the right day with the right tide and wind, you'd get up and glide bait this flat, no dramas. You know the big fish are here now, you chuck a big bait. It's going to drive out and around. She might not have gone over the ledge, she might be sitting just here somewhere. I don't think I brought the bloody big glide bait box. I got those little guys, but no, we're after a feed today, aren't we? I'll come back and try and glide bait them another time. They might have gone over the edge cycle. It's bloody exciting seeing them though, isn't it? Yep. Oh, eat it! Damn it! Look at that, that went in the mouth of a fish, man. That's in a big fish's mouth. God damn it. Mother... Far out. Holy shit, look at that crocodile swimming off.